Hi everyone, I'm Nurse Alice, and today we're joined by Ashley Waller, who's also an ambassador for the American Heart Association, and we're gonna go over some quick and easy meal tips for you.
Today we're gonna be making one of my favorite recipes. It's called black bean and butternut squash chili.
Is this something that would be easy for like the college student on the go, the busy mom?
Of course, especially if you have a slow cooker. Chop up the vegetables, throw it in, set it, forget it, you're done. We are gonna be using some red bell pepper, which is great vitamin C and vitamin A. We have some onions, diced tomatoes, black beans, corn.
And one of the tips if you're gonna use canned corn is make sure you rinse it under water before you use it. That way you can wash out some of that extra salt and those preservatives.
Low sodium chicken broth, butternut squash.
I love butternut squash, and they're rich in fiber and lots of vitamin A in that.
Some diced jalapenos. We also have some garlic, which garlic is really great for you. And then I love topping it off with some Greek yogurt and a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese.
Well, actually, Greek yogurt is a great substitute for sour cream. There's so much nutritional value in there. It's rich in protein, lots of calcium.
It's also rich in probiotics, acidophilus,
Absolutely.
which is great for your stomach.
The best thing about this meal is that it's high in fiber. And the good thing about fiber is that it actually can help lower your cholesterol.
There's also an option to make this meal vegan, which is great. You can substitute the chicken broth for some veggie broth, and you can take out the sour cream and the cheddar cheese on the top, and there you have a perfect vegan meal. I'm gonna set it for 2 hours. You don't have to stir it, just turn it on, set it, and forget it.
So you can set this up and literally go pick your kid up from daycare or go to a class or even go to the gym and get a workout in. Can you tell us a few of your favorite healthy snack tips to go?
Bell peppers are great in the antioxidants, but they're also a really delicious healthy snack. Pair it with a little bit of Greek yogurt or some hummus. Another suggestion and tip that I love is having apples. Chopping them up, if you actually squeeze a little bit of lemon on them, they won't turn brown.
So Ashley, this looks amazing. It smells really good. I'm ready to take a bite. Oh my God, it's sweet and savory. And I'm just thinking about all the nutritional value that this has in here. So I don't feel bad. Thanks so much, Ashley, for making this. Can I take the rest of it home?